Welcome to the AI Shorts PAL training video series. In this video I am going to show you how to use AI Music Tool. Go to the left menu and click on AI Music Tool. Now you are on AI Music Tool section. Just select music. You can also play music. Click on Next and you can create lyrics by search keyword. Click on Next and you can add voiceover to your song.
Hi, I can read any text you type here.
Hi, I can read any text you type here.
In next step you can download your AI-generated song. Thanks for watching the video.